Hello lovely student, welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform. Let's continue with the chapter number 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas, exercise 4.3. Question number 1. Okay, what the question is saying, name the angles in the given figure. Means we have to name the angles. This is the figure given over here and we have to find out the angles in it. Okay, and now I have already told you what our angle is. Angles are the meeting point of what two line segments, like one line segment is like this. If it is meeting over here like this, then it is making a angle. The common point where two line segments are meeting over here, we the we can found a angle. Okay, like this. If we will draw like this is also an angle. If I will draw like this is also a angle. All these are angles. Okay, so we can name them, and over here we can find it out. Let's see. DA and BA is meeting at A, so we can find it out. Angle A, comma AD and DC. Okay, we can say angle D. DC and CB, we can find it out. Angle C. BC, CB and AB, we can find out angle B. All these are angles, okay, available in this given figure. Okay, now what the question number 2 is saying, in the given diagram, name the points. We have to name the points. Number 1, in the interior of angle DE or O. DEO, and sorry, DOE, we are talking about DOE, D, O and E, and we have to find it out the points available in the interior means between these two lines, and we can find it out. Point A is there. Okay, now find out the exterior. In the exterior of the EOF, E from EO and F, exterior. Okay, in the exterior of this angle, how many points are there? Exterior means outside this. Okay, not between. We can increase like this. Okay, so we cannot calculate the points available over here. Okay, we cannot take it outside this angle. All the points are exterior points. Okay, all the exterior points are exterior points. So we can check it out, this figure. Okay, and check it out. It is moving like this, okay. How many points are there in the exterior? Point C is there, point A is there, and point D is also there. Okay, C, comma A and comma D, all these 3 points are there at the exterior of angle EO and F. Okay, I hope you guys understood. On EOF, how many points are there on EO and F? B is there. Point B is there. Okay, in this angle. Now what the question number 3 is saying, draw a rough diagram. Means we have to draw a diagram by ourselves of two angles such that they have one point in common means we have to draw a two angle. We have to make two angles such that they have one point in common. So take one point like this and draw two angles. We can draw two angles like this, A, B. We can give this point O. Okay, and we can draw a angle like this. If you want, we can draw an angle like this. Okay, and we can say X, we can say Y. Okay, and you can see one point is common, and that is O. That point is O. You can also find it out that this is also an angle. Okay, but it is not mentioned that we have to only make two angles, means we cannot find more than two angles in it. Okay, we can find it out. So this is the only, this is the also angle, but don't get confused. Okay, don't get confused, because we have to just point out the common point. Okay, and this is the common point. Okay, where we can, from where we can make 2 points or two angles. Okay, now 2 point in common. Okay, 2 point in common means there should be 2 point. Okay, common should be there in that. Let's find it out. Now let's draw an angle like this. Okay, you can name them A, B and C. A, B and C. Okay, so, and what we can do, we will get 1 point, 2 point. We want 2 point in common, we can take this. Okay, and if you want, you can draw a diagram like this. You can draw a diagram like this. Okay, and you can also draw a diagram like this. Okay, so you can check it out. Point B is common. And if I will take two angles, like if I will take is X, okay, or we can say D, DBA, DBA, B is common. And if I will take DBC, DBC, okay, like this, D, B and C. Okay, there is also 1 point which is common, that is B. Okay, B is common in that also. B is common in that also. Okay, but you can check it out, angle D, B and C. Okay, and angle D, B and A. Okay, write it right like this. Okay, now check it out, 2 points are common or not. Okay, I have not written directly because you guys will not understand then. Now check it out, point B is common, and point D is also common. D is also common in this. So we can write it down, B and D. Point B and D is common. I hope you guys understood. I am explaining you once again. Once you have drawn this figure, you have to find it out 2 points in common. Okay, so we can check it out. Point D, B, C, DBC, angle DBC. We can make angle DBC, angle DBC, and we can make angle DBA, angle DB and A. Okay, and you can check it out. 2 points are common. 2 points are common in this. Okay, so D is also common and B is also common. So we have find it out. Okay, like this we can find it out the next question also, in which we have to find it out 3 points in common. Okay, where we have to find it out 3 points in common. So let's draw a diagram. Let's take a diagram like this. Like this. Okay, and we can write it down A, we can write it down B, and we can write it down C. We can draw a diagram like this and give the name over here is D. Okay, and if I will do one thing, okay, in this you guys know that 2 points are common. If I will place 1 point over here in this, over here I can put over here also. Okay, if I want, I can put over here also. Okay, anywhere in this we can put a point. Okay, so if I will take angle DBA, DBA, and if I will take DBC, angle DBC, D is common and B is common, and in DBA and DBC there is one point, we can say E. Okay, this is also common now, because if we are taking DBA, E is also there. If I am taking D, B and C, E is also there. So we can say point E is also common. So 1 D comma B comma E. These are the 3 points. Okay, like this we can point it out the 4 points in common. We can point out a point over here also. Okay, in this D, B, A, 2 points are also common, E. Okay, and A, B and C, A, B and C, okay, point is common. Or we can find it out over, we can put it over here also, we can put it over here also. Sorry, if I will put it over here also, so we can check it out. D, B, C, there are 2 points, 1 and 2, and if I will seek A, B and C, so we can say D comma B comma E, sorry, E comma C. All these 4 points are common. Okay, one ray in common. Okay, one ray in common. So that is very easy. One ray in common means we can take a single diagram like this. In this also, if you will take a figure, same figure which is given to you, okay, you can check it out above. If I will take like this, okay, F, O and D, okay, and we can check it out OE. OE is a ray. OE is a ray which is common in both. Which is common in both. We can make FOE, angle FOE, and we can take EO and we can take angle EO and D. Okay, so you can check it out. One ray is common, one ray is common in it. Okay, I hope you guys understood. It is very easy. Okay, and we have finished this exercise and this chapter as well. Okay, if you feel like the video is slow, so you can fast forward it to 1.5 and 2x. Okay, and you can watch the video. Okay, and first of all watch the introduction videos and then continue with the exercises. You will able to understand each and every concept very clearly, so you can do it, okay, by yourself. Okay, have a wonderful day ahead guys. Please like and share my video with your friends. Have a great day. Bye bye, take care.